back to the video of Freddy's World, and today I'm going to be doing a blindfolded taste test with my sister. So the rules are, basically, the other person will choose 5 different items that they find, and while the other person is blindfolded, we're just going to give them those 5 items, and however much they can guess is their total. Whoever has the most out of 5 will win the challenge. So let's get started.
Okay, so these are my 5 items that I'm going to be giving to Freddie to taste. So we're gonna start with this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna give this spoon to Freddie. Be careful, okay? Don't touch it, just put it in your mouth, okay? Just put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth. No, the whole thing. Pretty sure you know what that one is.
Oh, that's guacamole, I think.
Yeah. Do you think it tastes like rubber?
It tasted like cold dog.
That was one that you thought tasted like rubber, so that's why I gave that one to you. Okay, so we've gone to our second item, and I'm gonna be bringing that to Freddie. This one, if I let him hold it, it's gonna give it away, the texture and everything. So I'm just gonna hold it out in front of his mouth. He's not gonna smell, right?
Maybe.
And he's just gonna bite it no matter what. Okay, he's gonna know this one, obviously. Okay. Bite it, just bite it. Just bite it.
Ew. Oh.
You know what that one is, don't you?
That's a pepper.
What kind of pepper?
A bell pepper?
No, it's actually not a bell pepper.
A banana pepper, that's what it is.
No, it's not a banana pepper. It's the Greek peppers.
What?
It's the, what's it called? I'll show you the container, okay? Okay, so that one he did not get right. Okay, so the one that he previously got wrong was actually a peppercini, but he guessed a bell pepper. So this is the next one. I'm gonna have him like just put out your hand, Freddie. And don't feel it, just put it right in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Put it right in your mouth.
Is that dog food?
You should know what that is.
It is Parmesan cheese.
Yes, it is. Bravo. In case you guys forgot, for the next round, I'm going to be giving him that. So I got it in a spoon. So here we go. Okay, Freddie. This one, I'm just going to feed it. I'm feeding it to you. I'm just going to put
give
it
me
in
the spoon.
Fine. Hold it like that. It's weird. It's a spork. Okay, ready? Now just put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth. Don't get on my bandana. What is that one?
Oh, it's honey pecan cream cheese.
Yes, good job. So far you got 3 out of the 4 right. So that's good.
I thought it was 2 for 3.
Yeah, you already had, that was your 4th one. You only have 1 left. Good job. Okay, for this one, I'm going to be plopping this into his hand, and then he's going to put it into his mouth. Ready?
What?
You can just take it like whatever you want, yeah.
I don't know.
Why you put that back in your hand?
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what this is. I can't even see.
You're not supposed to see.
Sweet. Oh, it's jelly.
What kind?
Oh, no. It is raspberry jelly.
Incorrect. It is actually grape jelly. Okay, so for the last one, I was actually wrong. It was not grape jelly. It was blackberry jelly, but he still got it wrong. So out of the 5, he got 3 right. Here are my 5 items that I chose for her. So we're going to start with this one, actually. We're going to start with this item. Right, guys? We have it on the spoon. It just looks so pathetic if she doesn't get this. I'm not sure if she even likes this. Gabby, the spoon is coming your way. Gabby, grab onto it. I think she just peeked.
Is it like alive?
No,
It's not any bug. All right. Maybe trans.
What's
It's not a locust. It's not a locust. All right. Grab it.
You're just giving me.
Grab
Is
it.
that it?
Grab that.
Oh
That's
my
the
gosh,
spoon. That's
it's heavy. It's heavy.
That's the spoon. Do not drop it. Turn around.
It's heavy.
Go in for a bite.
It's heavy.
Just Gabby, come on. We gotta speed things up here.
Oh, it smells horrible.
Gabby,
Is that
it's not-
barbecue sauce? It is. I'm not gonna eat a lot.
What is it?
There's nothing on the spoon.
Gabby, Gabby,
Nothing's on the spoon.
put the spoon in your mouth. What is it?
Barbecue sauce.
Yep, you're correct. Okay, you got one on the board. Let's see what happens next. All right, guys, so this is the second item that I'm going to give her. Hopefully she enjoys it. All right, so it's on the spoon. I don't think she's going to like this one either. Gabby,
You
just
said I
open your
would
mouth.
like it.
That was definitely not tricking. Just open your mouth. Like
Where's
that. She just touched it. All right.
the...
That's the spoon right here. Gabby, put it in the mouth, quick.
I'm scared.
Gabby, just go.
Oh, it smells horrible.
Well,
Oh!
I didn't check the expiration date, so
Excuse me?
nothing. What is it?
What the heck? Was this in like the back of the fridge?
I don't know. All right, you have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Is that apricot
2.
jam or something like that?
Apricot jam?
Yeah.
How'd you get it wrong?
What was
It's
it?
actually fake preservatives, which you probably have no clue what it is, but okay.
I have no clue what that is.
Here's the next item that we're gonna give her. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna give her this for her next
My
item.
hands are
Do one. All right. Why are you laughing? Anyways, all right. Here's the next item. Enjoy the taste. Grab the spoon.
Is it a spoon?
Yes, it's the same spoon for all of them.
Ew!
Gabby. All right, let's go.
Oh, it's heavy.
Because this is okay. Just enjoy. Enjoy the luxurious.
Oh, that is like the worst smell ever.
Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna like it, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Gabby, just take a good bite, because
Is that like...
Gabby,
It's like
you're,
cheese.
you're wasting all of our time here. To go. What does she think about
No.
this?
Is this Caesar dressing?
What do you say?
Caesar salad dressing?
Yeah, you're correct. You got another one.
Hopefully that's something that has the anchovies in it.
It is. Anyways, let's move on to the next item. Right now, Gabby is 2 for 3, and there's only 2 more items left. If she gets one more, she will win or tie. So now we're gonna choose this item, and I'll show you when it's ready. All right, guys.
Where's the banana
So
pepper?
here it is. Let's take a look at what that is.
Wait, is it spoon?
Right there. It is a fork.
It's a fork.
Just bite it right now. Gabby, you're gonna take the whole thing in. You have to, or else you'll know what it is if you don't. So you have
I
to.
hate this.
Gabby, that's what I do. Come on.
Ugh.
Open your mouth and take your finger off. Gabby?
I don't know.
Gabby, it's only one. Okay, come on. Open your mouth.
Is it gonna taste good?
Yes.
Okay.
I think you'll like it, to be
Okay.
honest. Open your mouth. Stop
Is it
covering
like
it.
sweet or sour?
Open your mouth. All right. What is it? It's very sweet. Oh wait, it's expired.
It's a banana pepper.
The answer is,
Ugh.
it is a mild pepper ring.
You know it's a banana pepper.
Yeah, it is. Guys, we can take a look what it says. It says delicious banana peppers right there. So, right now she's 3 for 4. If she gets this one right, she will win. Oh, this is super sweet right here.
Okay.
I'll show you what happens later. All right. Here is her last item. If she gets this right, she wins the challenge. If she gets this wrong, we tie.
Wait. First, what happens to a loser?
The loser has to do something that the person tells them to on the video.
Ooh, yes. Okay.
Enjoy.
Oh, gosh.
She knows what it is. She's going to beat me.
Oh, and juice.
What is it?
Is that pickle relish?
What is
Pickle relish.
Pickle relish. All right, that's her final guess. You locked it in. Take off the mask.
Dill relish, but that's the same thing.
Yeah. Okay, she got it right. She beat me. At 4 or 5, I'll show you what happens at the end. All right, Gabby, it is the moment of truth. What do I have to do?
Okay, so I changed my mind. Instead of making you do something, I'm going to make you guys do something. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and click the bell if you want to get notifications whenever we update this channel. Speaking of updating this channel, whenever you guys have like an idea of a video you want us to do or you want Friday to do, please make sure to include that in our comment section down below. So, that's it for today.